Hi, my name is Yura. I am making chatbots. I'm working for Master of Code. Our company is creating custom AI-driven conversational solutions for such companies as T-Mobile, Aveda, Viner Media, eBags, and its partners include LivePerson, ChatFuel, Nexmo, and others. When I have free time, I am creating chatbots as a hobby. My previous projects can be found on my GitHub page and on my website. I decided to try something new for me and describe the process of creating my next hobby chatbot project in a series of videos. I'll try to show you all the steps I'm passing from the idea to the working bot and hopefully its live users and feedbacks. I'll show the tools I'm using and try to describe the way I am searching for and implementing solutions. This is not intended to be a tutorial about the basics of different coding and chatbot building tools like Node.js or ChatFuel, but rather a demonstration of how and for what these tools can be used. But I will post or attach links to the resources covering all the tools used in the project. So, my guess is that this video may be interesting for existing chatbot builders and developers who might be looking in this direction, so that they can get examples of code, agents, solutions, and also for people with ideas or projects who might be thinking if a chatbot could be a suitable format or solution for their idea. And in this project we will be creating a city quest or scavenger hunt in the format of a chatbot. Our chatbot will be for Facebook Messenger, and we will be using such tools as ChatFuel, Node.js, Glitch, and Airtable. This project will be presented as a series of comparatively short videos, which will cover the full cycle of chatbot creation: idea generation, choosing tools, architecture, preparing content, designing conversational flow, actual implementation of the bot logic, deployment, and finally testing on users. Building the bot in ChatFuel and coding on Node.js will be shown starting from the 5th video. So if you want, you can jump directly to them. Please select the corresponding video in the list. And in the next video, I'll quickly stop on how the idea of a chatbot quest appeared and also describe the reasoning of using a chatbot as a format for this project.